Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, week 4, the end of week 4. Sorry about the announcement didn't get posted. For some reason, it didn't get out there. It broke, so I figured I'd repost it just to be safe. So if there are any issues, comments, concerns, let me know. But I figured I'd talk about adding some transitions. Just some real quick information that'll help you out with your assignments this week and for your turn-ins tonight. I know it might be a little bit late, but sorry about that. For some reason, the first announcement didn't get broke for some reason. So I will redo this and we'll make sure it gets done. So let's do this. Welcome. So I figured talk a little bit about adding transitions and how they play a part into Premiere Pro. So transitions in Premiere Pro, to add transitions between clips, you can set your clips aside in a side-by-side in your sequence, and then you can try adding transitions between them. And a lot of times in the same panel group as the project panel, you'll find the effects panel tab, which is under the window, and then you choose effects to reveal it. Once you do that, you're going to open the video transitions folder and then open the dissolve folder to see what available dissolve effects there are. There's a lot of cool dissolve effects in Premiere Pro. Really good stuff. Now, what you can do is you can drag the cross dissolve, just using it as an example effect between the two clips. So that way it's positioned in between the two clips to show how to transition from one clip to the other. And this is from your previously trimmed clips. Then you play the sequence and see how it looks. So you can pretty much just drag and drop different effects in there and see how they kind of play to your own areas. Also, another thing is to have fun experimenting with other dissolve effects. Use the program, troubleshoot, do what you can with it. And between two adjacent clips like dip to black or to white, do a lot of things that you can play with, and it kind of fits your art style. That's really what you want to look at. Now, there's a lot of other transitions to use other than just a cross dissolve. You can use Crossfade, and this works well between audio clips. This makes sure that two audio clips are adjacent, that both clips are trimmed perfectly. Do one of the following. So you're going to add a default audio transition, move the current time indicator to the edit point between the clips, and then choose sequence and then apply audio transition. That's the best way to go about it. Another thing that you can do is to add an audio transition other than the default. Expand the audio transitions bin in the effects panel and drag the audio transition to the timeline panel. On the edit point between the two clips, you want to crossfade it, and that's how you're going to do that crossfade between audio. Now, to fade in, fade out, there's another way to do that. You can make sure that the audio track is expanded in the timeline panel. If necessary, click the triangle to the left track to expand the audio tracks that you want to crossfade. And then to fade in a clip's audio, all you have to do is just drag an audio transition from the effects panel to the timeline panel so that it snaps into an endpoint on the audio clip. And then you want to do the same thing for a fade out for like an endpoint as well. So that way, when you do fade in, you want to just do the start at cut from the alignment menu. If you do it for fade outs, you want to do the end at cut for alignment menu. That way you know how to fade into something and fade out from the beginning of a clip to an end of a clip. It works all the exact same, surprisingly. You just got to make sure one's attached to an in clip and one's attached to an out clip. And that's pretty much it. And that's just some quick tips in Premiere Pro that I have for you for this weekend. A really easy piece of cake. Sorry about the first announcement didn't get through. I'll double check that, make sure what went wrong. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Have a great Halloween today. I hope all is well, and have a good one. I'll see everybody for lecture. Everything should be posted by Monday morning, and should be no problems as always. All right, everybody. Enjoy. Be safe. Have some fun with some candy. Have a good one. Bye, everybody.